Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your WhatsApp message not sending. So let's just get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. In order to go ahead and do so, simply try to switch between your Wi-Fi and your mobile data to ensure a stable internet connection. Make sure that VPN is always turned off, and you can also try to turn on and turn off your airplane mode just to give it that quick refresh. Once you've done that, the other thing you want to simply go ahead and try to do is going to be simply force closing your application and then reopening it. If that still doesn't work, then what you want to do is simply check if there are any updates available. In order to do that, simply go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store and simply go ahead and search for WhatsApp, just like that. Once you've done that, you want to click on the application and click on the download button right over here. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.